describe like character. I guess we didn't really do this, but I can totally see it being like you can pretend like this person's introvert, this one's an extrovert, this person's messy, this person's clean, this person's smelly, or something like that. Like, what happens?
What happened?
Co-design is about communication. Researchers use play and hands-on activities to help experts convey information and experiences relevant to design. On this playground, we use make tools, collections of physical objects. But what are the right tools for the job? Engineers use math and science to solve problems, while architects may prefer pictures or models. Are there ways to tailor toolkits to account for the large range of human training and preference? This is what I aim to find out. To examine human preference, design student toolkit interactions are studied. Research methodology employs 3 toolkit construction methods, each designed by students to exemplify characteristics of the corresponding design discipline taught at OSU. Particular attention is paid to subject material and construction method selection to gather information about the subject's expressive wants and needs. Subjects are grouped by major, but receive the same set of materials and prompt to redesign the collaborative studio space in Hayes Hall using one of the following construction methods. VC designers convey information and emotion primarily through graphics and other 2D medium. This toolkit translates 2D exploration and ideation into 3D design execution. To replicate the ideation and prototyping practiced by product designers, brainstorming is broken into emotional, social, and physical aspects. Then, design solutions are constructed in 3D to evaluate feasibility. IS designers plan and brainstorm spatial purpose and character in 2D before moving to 3D solutions. This construction method uses whiteboards and magnets to mimic the process of designing in layers. Interestingly enough, subjects chose both materials and processes familiar to them. In their field, interior and industrial design students work extensively in 3D. This was reflected in their choice of construction methods. Groups of ID and IS students selected a construction method involving 3D components 75% of the time, while VC groups never opted for the 3D option. VC designers identified brainstorming and discussion as processes most helpful to their ingenuity. Interior space and industrial designers stressed the importance of building and playing with their designs. Whiteboards were the most selected object by far. While most groups use whiteboards for quick and easy brainstorming, VC and IS designers were most likely to use this tool to present 2D solutions. In fact, when asked about their favorite materials, VC students' choice was unanimously whiteboards. All students praised the simplicity of the boards, but visual communications designers asserted that they picked this tool because it allowed us to think freely without the restriction of materials. Furthermore, they felt limited by 3D supply and color availability, as well as the relative permanence of 2D construction. What this research highlights is the frequency with which people will choose both materials and processes that are familiar to them. This helps ensure that subjects complete their tasks easily and quickly without the added stress of working with unfamiliar tools. These attributes help to create an environment much desired by design researchers, one well suited for thinking, designing, and sharing both knowledge and experience.